My name is Knight-Gregson. I'm currently an advanced research engineer at Dyson. I graduated from Swansea with a Master's in Physics after doing the MPhys programme with a year abroad. I got to spend a year studying in Australia, which was a fantastic experience. That allowed me to interact with people from different cultures and to really see how my physics skills and what I was taught at Swansea fitted in with what else was happening in the wider world. After coming back from my year in Australia, I decided that I really wanted to get some experience of using the skill sets. So I looked for opportunities to do internships. I did a summer internship with Pete and an internship with a nuclear power company called Horizon Nuclear. So that gave me the taste of working in academia in a sense and working in industry. I still wasn't sure which of those I wanted to do, so then I went on to do an industry-funded doctorate. I really realised that I could use my physics skills to solve problems, and not necessarily the big problems like where does gravity come from, which is interesting in its own right, don't get me wrong, but the problems like, how do we make this thing safer? How can we make a hairdryer that works better? How can we make a car more efficient? So using that skill set to help the designers, the blue sky thinkers get their ideas to reality. And that's basically what I do at Dyson now.